car jump box. Human jump box. I gotta text the guys and let them know I'm not gonna make it. Hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. Today's the day. RVA Cheap Car Challenge 2 starts right now. It's still kind of dark out. I'm about to fire up the Oldsmobile here and see if we can get this thing over to Regency Square Mall, which is where we're doing Cars and Coffee this morning. We're gonna meet up, see all the challenge cars there. I hate this car. It's been nothing but a nuisance the few days I've had it. It stalls randomly and won't restart. I was messing with the seat the other day and it scooched forward, but it won't move anymore. And I went underneath and pried the two hooks out and everything, and I cannot get it to move. And so my knees are basically against the dashboard, which is really not fun. And I'm just not happy with that. So let's see what happens. Started, that's always a good start. If this car doesn't make it to the mall, I'm coming back here. Where's the headlights on this thing there? I'm coming back here, I'm getting my Land Rover Discovery, and I'm gonna be the support vehicle because I'm not gonna deal with this thing. Only made it about a third of the way to the shopping center where this is supposed to take place, and it's already starting to die on me, like stuttering and stuff. I'm just making the executive decision. I'm taking this piece of crap back to my house and getting the Land Rover, and I'm going to be support today, and we'll just have to ride along with everybody else. I'm sorry. I just can't risk trying to take this 60 miles on the highway when it's cutting out right now. I hate this car. Ugh. At least I know I'll be in a somewhat reliable vehicle. A Land Rover. It's cutting out on me, and I'm on a bridge. I hate this car. I got it off the bridge. I just keep stalling. I mean, I'm like a mile and a half from home. I don't even know how the hazard lights work on this thing. I gotta text the guys and let them know I'm not gonna make it.
346 minutes later.
Well, of course, I made it in the least reliable vehicle in the world to Cars and Coffee. Pulling in. I don't know where they are, if anybody's even here. I heard that they're running late, which is funny if I actually made it after having to go home and get a second vehicle, see if they're actually here or not. And it's getting crowded already. Nice Fintail. Yeah, I don't see them. Maybe I'll just park and walk around and see what else there is here. And there they are. There's Ross's $500 Camry and the $500 Volvo of Troy, or one of the many Volvos that he bought. All right, well, here's the $500 Camry from Pennsylvania. Either the sunroof works or it's permanently open. And the lovely Volvo of Troy, you can see the video of his car on his channel. With its lovely 5-cylinder engine here. This is the V6. Wow, 3-liter 4-cam 24-valve V6. And this isn't supposed to be here. You don't see this. We've caught up with all the cars. You've seen the Camry, the Volvo. Now we've got one of the Saabs, which is definitely steaming off of the hood. Little steam there. Oh yeah. You didn't bring this one obviously, because you know better than to bring an old Saab. And then we've got the other old Saab with the hockey pucks. They painted the wheels white since I've seen this last. Oh yeah, you can smell it. These are fastened better. And then a little welding. Not too bad there. Yeah, it's got the off-road tires. Tow strap ready to go. Good thing I have the tow vehicle down here. This one needs to be accessorized a bit. They're gonna love this. I cannot wait to see the look on their face when they see this on the back of their car. A little more of an update here. So let's see, it's pretty solid. There's some welds there and there and there. Did a decent job. Yeah, I'd say he can handle my welding needs. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is on the Saab that's still steaming out of the hood. And then nothing says Cheap Car Challenge more than the inspection rejection sticker. I'm surprised Troy didn't get this inspected. I don't know why he didn't.
No,
I mean, there's definitely plenty of
it's the
glue in
central
it.
speaker. Yeah.
I know, but it's moving on its own, which means it's probably hot.
Feels good, actually. My hands are kind of chilly. We have,
That's oleo.
yeah, that's got oil. A little bit.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot. Just enough.
I should probably check mine out.
Have you ever checked? Yeah.
No, that's overrated. Stone's gonna come back and be like, wait a minute.
I can't tell you how many cars I've bought and just never checked the oil.
I've done that.
I feel like if you check, I feel like you're jinxing yourself if you check the oil.
Always leave something broken. It just happens to be the oil.
This is
See the
beautiful.
mighty 5-cylinder.
And it's not even connected.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
It's not connected. I don't know.
It's
Does
the air.
Stone know this?
It's the air conditioning return hose. It just
Yes.
drips. Yeah. Do you have oil?
Yeah, it looks like I have extra oil, probably.
Extra?
I love
Extra oil's good.
Yeah.
It's compressible. Ew. Oh, there's so much water. Gross.
You can't drive this on the street.
Oh, he rejected
You're supposed to use those to open locked doors, not to
Sure, you
scrape
don't
off
have-
No,
rejection
we're
stickers.
supposed to use these to pay so that the rejection stickers don't happen.
You're gonna pay through the nose to get this thing to pass.
I'm not gonna pay any.
This is the only car with a valid inspection because mine doesn't have a valid inspection. His doesn't have a valid inspection. That's 18. That's 16.
Now, anything
Yeah.
about PA inspection, it is
Yeah,
not
but-
easy to pass.
No, this is but it's a Camry. It's gonna pass
Well,
for the next.
I would imagine the story underneath is
It's even got the dealer mat under. It smells like something. Can't tell you what, but interesting it's not leather with the V6. I thought most of these came with the leather, but I guess well, that's an XLE. Ha, funny. Still,
the Subaru making another appearance?
no one's gonna see that. Okay, who brought the RAV4? Actually, unfortunately, Amy was not able to bring her Tercel 4-wheel drive. The control arm just fell right out of it. So I'm not the only person who failed and brought something that, yeah, does not fit in. The Subaru made it. I can't hear it over this bitchin' Camaro, but he made it with all kinds of crap on the roof.
Oh, okay. I guess he gets a pass for being late.
He was late because he was putting all the stuff on the roof. You made it and I didn't. Oh, it's an automatic. Wow.
It is an automatic,
Yeah.
and I don't think the transmission's gonna make it.
Oh, well, you can always ride with me. I've got an LR3. It's the most reliable vehicle in the world.
It's still not registered to me, so we'll just leave it.
Awesome. You can leave my Oldsmobile there too. He brought it all. Do some neutral drops. Test out the transmission. How's this cream puff?
This is horrifying.
Well, of
Every
course.
light is on the dashboard.
So that means the bulbs work.
Yes.
Every you're stuck in there.
Oh,
okay.
I think we're good now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fancy. $8 Amazon lights. Yeah, this definitely looks better with the Camel Trophy sticker on it.
Just, I'm not gonna cut it off.
Did you take the roof rack off the LR3 for this?
Yes.
Nice.
I'm not gonna cut it off.
You're not gonna cut it off? Does it not restart?
The battery is.
I've got my jump box.
I also have a jump box.
All right, so we'll need all of them, I assume.
terrible.
You gotta give us a hot, take on the car, though, while we're here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So some of my favorite features. I mean, I added these, of course.
$8 Amazon lights.
Yeah.
Can you open the hood with them on?
Yeah. Barely. There you go. All right.
It's got a belt. It's moving.
Probably. I have a jump box. So I love this. That's my favorite.
It's not even zip ties.
Oh,
It would
yeah.
be easier to have used
No,
zip ties.
that's really secure in there.
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere. Let's see. The bumper's half missing. Although
Ventilated fog lamps? Those are cool.
Oh, yeah.
It's a unibody car. Does this count as
The bullet holes from last time. still in the tag. Yeah.
yeah, check the rocker on that side. Go
Oh,
open the
okay.
door.
Okay. Ooh, so is it like a Range Rover Classic rocker? Oh yeah. It's a pretty good hole there. You can see where the tire used to be on the rear window. Ooh. Officially a sponsor, which I've got a jump box and some water for the cooling system in my trunk, so I think that makes me the ultimate sponsor. That's quite a bit of fluid there. Is there something on the hood? Oh, okay.
I don't know what I was looking at.
Oh, well. You scuffed it. Is this rattle canned? It feels like it's rattle canned. This is definitely rattle canned.
Yeah, so this was black before, but they wanted to keep this part nice.
Yeah,
So-
they blend it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, because back here is original paint. Yeah,
A really nice technique to blend there.
it's textured. Yeah.
And you know, this is nice. You know, you don't
Just spray straight up in the air.
you don't want these to.
Well, I don't think these have been used in a while. So what were you gonna do?
Oh, I was gonna lift it with cutting.
Yeah.
Cutting boards.
And then with cutting boards, nice.
But look at this. Look at how rusted that is. I didn't.
Yeah, that's gonna snap right off.
Yeah. I didn't want to get into it, so I abandoned my plans.
That's probably for the best. This is legitimately someone's socket, which is actually not a 10. First I was like, that's some kind of weird roller bearing, but it's stuck on there. All right, y'all, we're pulling out. Oh, maybe. Everybody can read. Slowly. What a line of wonderfulness and garbage. Does it look lovely in the sun, folks? Glinting with all of their scratchedness and terribleness. Look at that line of beauty. We leave cars and coffee in the worst cars possible. Now we got all the kids who make videos are gonna record everyone peeling out. The diesel. Time for a quick gas break here if we can find a its welded diff is squealing like crazy. That's awesome. Yeah, by the way, the Benz has a welded diff because why not? There's no power steering. Do you need that much oil already?
No.
Oh, darn. Put it all in and see what happens.
I will by the end of the day. Guaranteed.
Yeah, that was funny. Yeah, I was waiting for that cop to like take off that.
Yeah.
So I was
What
like,
happens if I touch these?
That's my.
That's the...
secret weapon.
Yeah, exactly. But you don't connect that till you're...
Yeah. That's off-road use only.
Comes the Camry. And the Saab. Farm implements. Lots of farm implements. We've all made it to the farm. You can see it spreading out there to the left. Staying here on the asphalt road before it turns up here to the left and becomes dirt. See a sea of brake lights. Uh-oh. There's been some interesting smells as I've followed everybody now that I'm in the support/chase vehicle. Coolant, brakes, transmission fluid, oil, you name it. It's quite the melange of flavors, as you might say. Oh, we've got oncoming traffic. But they've never seen a crowd quite like this before. There's a spot where we go right into... Yeah, now we're on the dirt. Oop. And mud. Oh, this isn't too bad yet. I know there's gonna be mud later. But hey, I'm going 55 and so are all those cars. I love driving through this alley of trees. It's just really fantastic. Slow down up here to the stop. We'll hopefully get out and see how things went. Well, y'all, we all made it. So I think I'm gonna end this as part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thanks so much for watching Doug's Cars, and stay tuned for more fantastic RVA Cheap Car Challenge 2.